everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to discuss your GK and important facts class, and this the class number is your 81. We had completed your 80th class till the last class that we had uploaded, and today we're going to discuss your 1799 question. Already we had done 1798 questions before. अगर आप हमारा चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे। एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सकें। Now moving on with the question number 1799 that we have is first question for the session. What is the number of total judges that can be appointed in the Supreme Court of India, including the Chief Minister? Chief Justice और Chief Justice को include करने के साथ साथ आपके कितने नंबर ऑफ टोटल जजेस अपॉइंट किए जाते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इंडिया के, जहाँ पे आपको चीफ जस्टिस को इंक्लूड करके बता रहा है, दैट इज योर 31. Total number of judges that can be appointed in the Supreme Court is 31. Supreme Court has reached its full statutorized strength of 31 with appointment of 4 new judges to the apex court. 4 new judges अभी just recently अपॉइंट किए गए थे, उससे पहले जो थे वो उनके नंबर ऑफ टोटल जजेस थे, बट अब 31 हो गए हैं. The 4 appointed are justice, that is पहला है अनिरुद्धा बोस, A.S. ब्रोपन्ना, B.R. गवाई एंड दैट सूर्यकांत. ये आपके 4 जो है जो न्यू एडेड हुए हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1800 that we have. Recently, Indra Nooyi receives an honorary degree from the Yale University. She is the former CEO of Indra Nooyi is the former CEO of PepsiCo. Next question, that is question 1801. Who will be conferred Japan Order of Rising Sun Award? That is your Shyam Saran. Next question, that is question 1802. Where did Western Command Children Summer Adventure Camp 2019 organize? That you have to answer. Please comment on and then answer the question. Next question, that is question 1803. What is the theme of 2019 International Day of United Nations Peacekeeper? This answer also you have to comment out and then you can name the question number, and then after that you can comment out then what will be the answer of this question. Next question, that is question 1804. The 9th annual World Hungry Day with the theme of hashtag sustainability is celebrated on, that you have to also comment out and find the answer in the text me or comment section. Moving on with the next question, that is question 1805 that we have. Next question is 1805. The first World Cup match for 2019 is being held in which stadium? That you have to tell. This is the comment question. Please comment on the question in the suggestion box, and of course please answer all these questions because there are many questions that I will ask for to you. And you can mention the name of the question number. Which of the following? This is your question number 1806. Which of the following countries has trapped the 2019 ISSF World Cup in Munich, Germany? This also you have to answer on a comment section. Next question, that is question 1807. Which city hosted 2-day workshop on Population Research Center, that is PRCS? And then this answer also you have to comment out. अगर आपको कोई आंसर ऐसा है जो नहीं मिल रहा है तो you can tell on a comment section with the question number, so I will tell you all the answers. Next question, that is question 1808. Ajub Mogril is associated with which of the following sport? This answer also you have to comment out in the comment section, and you can answer all these questions with respect to their question number. Next question, that is question 1809. Along with the Narendra Modi, has many cabinet ministers take oath for the office and the secrecy? This answer also you have to tell, and the answer should be in the comment section. And if you don't get the answer, you can also write it down in the comment section, then I will be giving you all the answers with respect to the question. Next question, that is question number 1816. Donald Trump has announced dash tariff as well of goods coming from the Mexico in the bid to curb illegal immigration. This answer also you have to comment down. Next question, that is question 1811. Which financial services firm launched Trade AI Engine in partnership with IBM? So that is Standard Chartered. Next question, that is question 1812. The first match of ICC World Cup 2019 will be held between which of the two nations, that is England and South Africa? Next question, that is question 1830 that we have. 1813, who has been appointed as new CTO of Walmart? Walmart के new CTO कौन बनाए गए हैं? तो that is सुरेश कुमार. Next question, that is question 1814. Who plans to restore ELO rating of Indian players who were banned all India Chain Federation, that is FITE? Next question, that is question number that is your question number 1815. Which state cabinet has approved the 93 crores cloud seeding program, that is Karnataka? Next question, that is question 1816. The US has removed dash and dash from its currency monitoring list, that you have to answer. You can comment down all these answers that I had mentioned you to answer. Next question, that is question number 1817. International Everest Day is observed every year on. International Everest Day is celebrated on 29th May. Next question, that is question number 1818 that we have. International Day of UN Peacekeeper is observed every year. So International Day of UN Peacekeeper that we have celebrated on 29th May. Next question, that is question number 1819. India ranked dash on the 29 IMT World Competitiveness your ranking, that is your 43. India की जो rank है, that is your 743. Next question, that is question 1820. What is the number of Lok Sabha seats in Goa? तो गोवा की लोक सभा सीट्स कितनी है? That is 2. 2 लोक सभा सीट्स है गोवा की. Next question, that is question number 1821 that we have. 1821. Who plans to restore ELO rating on the Indian player who had banned on All India Chess Federation? This answer you have to comment down on the comment section. Next question, that is question 1822. Which state cabinet has approved 93 crores cloud seeding program, that is Karnataka? Next question 1823. International Everest Day is observed every year. The International Everest Day I had mentioned you कि International Everest Day कब celebrate होता है. So International Everest Day is celebrated on 29th May. Okay. Next question, that is question 1824. How many members are elected indirectly in state legislative council? That is 5/6. Next question, that is question 1825. How many people of Anglo-Indian community can be nominated by the governor in the state of the legislative assembly? This is 1. Next question, that is question 1826. Indian rank dash on the 2019 IMD World Competition ranking. As I said you before, this answer will be the 43. Next question, that is question number 1827 that we have. What is the number of Lok Sabha seats in Goa? And that I had mentioned you, that is 2. Next question, that is question 1828. What can be the maximum strength of number of state legislative? That will be, that is your 500. Moving on with the next question, that is question 1829 that we have. 1829 is who decided the salary and allowances of the Speaker of Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly के जो speaker है उनकी salary कौन decide करता है? That is state legislature. Next question, that is question 1830. Member of the Legislative Council submit his resignation to which? The member of Legislative Council जो है वो resignation किनको submit करते हैं? That is the chairman. Next question, that is question 1831. Who can take the decision to cancel the assembly membership of any person under the 10th schedule? So that will be the assembly speaker. Next question, that is question 1832. What is the minimum age for becoming a member of state legislative council? If you have to become a state legislative council member, then you have to be at least your 30 years. You have to complete it your 30 years. Moving on with the next question, that we have your question of 1833. Which of the following power does not possessed by the government? That is diplomatic powers. Next question, that is question 1834. In the case of the death of sitting governor, who among the following will discharge the function of the governor of the state? That is Chief Justice of the concerned state high court. Next question, that is question number 1835, that we have. The oath of office to the governor is administered by which? That is the Chief Justice of the concerned state high court. Moving on with the next question, that is question number 1836, that we have. 1836. Name the country which will host 2020 World Leader Conference of Combat Anti-Semitism, that is Sweden. Next question, that is question 1837. Who among the following who has named the most trusted sport personality in 2019? That is Virat Kohli. Next question, that is question number 1838. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of the Hindu from 1st June 2019? That is LJ Navaneeth. Next question, that is question number 1839. From which transaction RBI has extended the time from 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is the real-time gross settlement system, that is RTGS. Next question, that is your question number 1840, that we have. India invited which group of countries at the oath taking ceremony of PM Narendra Modi? This is BIMSTEC, that is BIMSTEC, BIMSTEC. Next question, that is question number 1841. The Indian Overseas Bank is headquartered at, that is Chennai. That is India Overseas Bank headquarter having in Chennai. Next question, that is question 1842, that we have. What is the minimum limit of RTGS transaction? RTGS transaction, the RTGS full form will be real-time gross settlement. So it is real, this is time, G stands for gross, and S stands for settlement. Real-time gross settlement. And the amount is your the minimum limit is rupees 2 lakh. Next question, that is question number 1843. Scott Morrison has been sworn in as PM of which of the country? That is, the answer will be the Australia. Moving on with the next question, that we have your question number 1844. 1844 question. Which of the following organizations signed as MOU with the Ministry of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises to enhance the services for the year 2019-2020? That is the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, NSICL. NSICL, that is National Small Industries Corporation Limited. Next question, that is we have a question number 1845. The researchers at the University of the Chicago managed to gain the superconductivity at -23 degrees Celsius. Next question, that is question 1846. What is the title given to the song released by the Indian Environmental Ministry to spread awareness about the air pollution? This you have to comment out. Next question, that is question 1847. ISRO, that is ISRO, has signed an MOU for the crew selection training of the Gaganyaan program. That is, this also you have to comment out. Next question, that is question number 1848, that we have. How many women MPs were elected in 17th Lok Sabha? 17th Lok Sabha में कितने women MPs select हुए थे? This answer also you have to comment out. If you don't find the answer, you can also text me on the comment section, that I will be providing you all the answers related to this that we had asked you. Please mention the question number that you want to be answered. Next question, that is question number 1849. Saudi Arabia has lifted the export ban on fruits and vegetables from which of the following Indian country, that is Kerala. Next question, that is question 1850. Tenzing Norgay and Edward Hillary had eliminated climbed the Mount Everest in the year 1953. So आपके टेंजिंग नॉर्वे और एडवर्ड हिलरी ने कब क्लाइम किया था माउंट एवरेस्ट, जो था 1953 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1851 दैट वी हैव. Next question, that is question 1851. What is the theme of the 2019 International Day of UN Peacekeeper? This you have to comment down. Next question, that is question 1851. Which of the city has launched the first of its kind trace ambulance? That is your Chennai. Next question, that is question 1853. ICC World Cup 2019 is being played as dash was similar to the 1998 World Cup. This answer you also have to comment out with the question number. With respect to the question number, you can answer all these questions. Next question, that's question 1854. Along with Narendra Modi, how will be the cabinet ministry of took oath for the office and the secrecy? That is 24. Next question, that is question 1855. Which of the following squadron is set to the induct the first batch of Rafale combat aircraft? That is number 17 Squadron Golden Arrows. Next question, that is question 1856 that we have. Muhammad Buhari has been sworn in as president of which of the country and for the second time? That is Nigeria. Next question, that is question 1857. Recently, Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar Airport gets international status. It is situated in Indore. It is situated in Indore. Moving on to the next question, that is your question number, and that's the last question for the session as well. 1858. Which of the company has appointed the Suresh Kumar as Chief Technology Officer? And that the answer is Walmart. So class, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and we can also provide you more knowledge more about the subjects that you want, and you can also comment on that which subject you need it. We will surely provide that. Thank you.